Morning, everybody. I am at Walmart and we are here to do our Walmart Ibotta haul. I need 13 more rebates to get the Merry and Bright, which is a $45 rebate bonus, or a bonus rebate. And then I don't know if there's a weekend warrior. It never pops up for me unless I sign out, and I'm not redoing that. I'm also locked out of my account. I know a couple of people are getting locked out in this Ibotta group that I was in. A lot of people are saying they're getting locked out, so I don't know what's going on. I sent them a message. They'll be like yada yada yada. So it just happens it happens every once in a while. It happens to everybody. I wasn't doing anything wrong. So we're gonna go inside, do some shopping. I got both children with me, so
try to sleep.
Bring your tablet with you, honey.
This is sleep.
No, Charlotte, don't fall asleep. But we're gonna go shopping and have some fun. Charlotte, you ready to go shopping? That means if she's ready, she's gonna fall asleep. We're gonna be super cranky, but let's go shop. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys had an awesome year, an awesome week. This is my last Walmart video of 2021. Now, I had that bonus where I needed 140 rebates to get a $45 bonus. And guess what, you guys? I did it. I challenged myself and did it. Some of you guys got it way beforehand, but I don't go shopping every single day. If you guys watch my daily vlogs, I hate leaving my house. I hate it. But had to go shopping today with both kids. That's all I'm gonna say. But we did get to meet one of Ben's kindergarten friends when he was in kindergarten, so I got to meet the mom. So it was pretty exciting for that. But I am here to share with you guys my haul at Walmart. So yes, I will have a printable breakdown for you guys, so you want to definitely check that out. So I got the Good Thins crackers. These were $2.56. You'd pay $2.56 for it, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.56 if you guys need some crackers. It's just nice to have some, you know, crackers if you need some. Here we got the Ritz crackers. Yeah, we got the Ritz crackers. These were $2.58. You want to pay $2.58 for it, but then there was a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.58. Funny thing is, every single aisle I went in, I had somebody who needed to go right where I was standing, and I'm like, oh, let me know. Oh no, you're fine, you're fine. And then they just stand there. I'm like, please just let me know if I'm in your way, because I was like, I'm trying to do math, I'm trying to deal with my kids. It was just like, it was crazy busy today. It was crazy busy today. Are you okay? So I ended up getting the folders. Now, I thought these were 97 cents because when I scanned it through the app, they popped up as 97 cents. Get up to the register, they were ringing up $1.48. So, it's okay. You know, I didn't notice it until afterwards. But anyways, $1.48, you want to buy 2 of these, you'd pay $2.96. But then there's an Ibotta deal where you get $2 off of 2, making these just 96 cents or 48 cents. So I'm like, 48 cents for a pretty decent, you know, folder. Definitely go ahead and do that. I've noticed a couple things where the app says one thing and the store says one thing. As far as I know, Walmart does not price match anything. They used to do it to their app. I don't know if they still do. From what I heard, they don't do it. I don't even bother. It's not worth my time to argue over a couple cents. This is not worth my time. But I ended up doing this deal just because I'm happy we got the coupons for it, and I needed to stock up on my stockpile again. So these were $4.27. These used to be $3.97. I know that as a fact, but they went up to $4.27. We have a 3 off of 2 that we got from the P&G. You would end up paying just $5.54. But then there you get 575 kicks through purchasing and scanning the product with Shopkicks. So it comes out to be just $2.30 with Shopkicks. So your grand total comes out to be just $3.24 or $1.62. So not the greatest deal, but you know, when it's something that you guys need and use, I say go for it, because everybody is in a different financial situation. Everybody needs different things. Like I tell you guys this in every video, I try to get as many variety of things as possible, because not everybody needs the certain things, and some people actually need stuff that they truly need. So that's the reason why I do kind of what I do. Okay, so I ended up getting the True Lemonade. So I ended up getting the Energy. These all 3 were $1.97, and I got the regular lemonade, and then I got the kids. So all 3 of these were $1.97. The kids, you actually got 75 cents back so it came out to be $1.22. The energy, you got 65 cents back, so that came out to be $1.32. And with the regular one, you got 60 cents back with Ibotta, so this comes out to be $1.37. So if you guys need some, you know, drink things for your drinks, definitely go ahead and do it. I just got those because I wanted to get my bonus. And yeah, my store did not have any of the Clorox wipes. I wanted to get the Clorox wipes really badly, but store was completely dry, which is fine with me. Not a big deal for that. Okay, I actually tried the Cheetos macaroni and cheese, and I actually really like it. So here, these were both 96 cents. You'd pay 96 cents for each of them. But then there is a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta for this one, and a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta for this one. So these just come out to be 76 cents each. So it depends on how you want to do this deal. I know the deal ends soon, but I couldn't pass it up. You know, they're cheaper than the Dollar Tree, so for 76 cents, go for it. I have been seeing these at the Dollar Tree. I'm still having neck pains, you guys, but it's not as bad as what it was a couple weeks ago. And yes, I am getting help for it. So I ended up doing the Happy Place bath bomb. Number one, my children are obsessed with bath bombs. I showed the kids and they literally threw it in the cart. So I'm like, okay, I guess we're getting this. So my store was still 50% off. So I got this for 50% off, so this made it $2.48. So not the greatest price, but I'm like, whatever, $2.48. But with swag bucks or with shop kicks, you get 325 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.30. So this came out to be just $1.18. So you know what? For $1.18 for my children's entertainment for 30 to 45 minutes, I will take it. Then I also got the lotion. Now this was on clearance for $1.73. You'd pay $1.73 for it, but then again you get 325 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.30. Comes out to be just 43 cents for that. So 43 cents for a little hand lotion, which is perfect. Okay, so I ended up getting the Snickers bars. I swear these said 88 cents on the shelf as I was taking a picture of it, but when I looked at my receipt, it said 98 cents. So, and it's hard to pay attention to these prices when you have your children with you too. So, like I said, it's just not worth it. But anyways, 98 cents. I had $1 off a 2 printable coupon that was available on coupons.com weeks ago. It was available for like a couple days, and then it disappeared, and I like searched and searched and searched through my coupons, and I had it. So I used that $1 off of 2. Paid 96 cents for this, but then there is a 25-cent rebate and a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just 46 cents for 2 of them. That's like 23 cents each, which is a great deal. Now, I ended up doing this deal because I ended up scanning the smaller ones. So these are the 3-pack. Yeah, 3-pack. These are $2.88. You'd pay $2.88 for it. But with Ibotta, you get $3 back. It does say any size. You get $3 back, making this a 12-cent moneymaker. I just really like the iridescent. That's all I care about. But you can get limited too, so that's 24 cents of a moneymaker you can get. I ended up getting some extra gum. This was $1.18. You'd pay $1.18 for it. But then you get 25 cents back with Ibotta, making it 93 cents. If you guys need to get some candy bars, go for it. Now my husband absolutely loves using Head and Shoulders, so we got the smaller bottles. So these were $3.43. We had a 3 off of 2 insert coupon from the P&G. You would pay $3.86 for 2 of these, but then you get $1 back and $1 back with Ibotta. What is that? What is that? I don't, oh, it's a pretty light. But you get $1 back each. So these come out to be just $1.86 or 93 cents each. That is pretty. Good job. Thank you. Pretty. Good job. Thank you. Okay. So the next deal I got was the Clio Greek yogurt bars. These were $1. You'd pay $1 for it, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 75 cents. We got the Tazo tea. These were $1.38. Now they went up to $1.68. Totally fine with that, but you pay $1.68 for it. But then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. So this just comes out to be 93 cents. And my husband actually likes this flavor the most. So we got that one. And then I also got the Rockstar Rockstar energy drinks. He got mad at me because I got the fruit punch one. He's like, I don't like fruit punch. I'm like, okay. He's like, but I'll take the sugar free. And I'm like, okay, you take the sugar free. So these were $1.50. You pay $1.50 for it. There's a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. Whoa, a sock! But you get a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just 75 cents. There was a freebie if you guys haven't used your freebie rebate with Ibotta. There is a freebie. I have like 2-3 more rebates that are free. I got that egg thing. My store has never carried. I got a free mug root beer. My store does not carry. And then it's Blake's seed bar or something like that. My store does not carry. So just want to give you guys a heads up to look for those items. And then what? Oh, thank you. Then the last items I got were ice cream. Now, you guys know me. I absolutely love ice cream, and I live in Wisconsin, which a dairy is a huge thing in my area. Ice cream, cheese, all that fun stuff. But I ended up getting 3 of the Blue Bunnies. We got homemade vanilla, vanilla bean, and vanilla. These were each $4 and thank you. Yeah. These were each $4.34. You'd pay $4.34. But you get 740 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product with Shopkicks, making it $2.96 for the app. So you get almost $3 back for each of these with Shopkicks, which is a great deal. So each of them come out to be just $1.38. And I think if these are a half a gallon, I don't know. I think these are I don't remember. But anyways, for $1.38 each, I think that is a great deal. I do like vanilla bean, and I do like vanilla. I don't remember what the homemade vanilla tastes like, but yeah, got stocked up on some ice cream, so I absolutely love that. So my total came to $54.64 for everything. I ended up only getting $16.90 back with Ibotta through all the regular rebates that I got. With Shopkick, I got 3,435 points, which is $13.74. With Fetch Rewards, I scanned it. I only got 76 points. So I got 7 cents from Fetch Rewards. 7 cents. And then I did have a weekend warrior. It did pop up right as I was about to finish shopping. Yeah, Minnie Mouse, yeah. Right as I was about to walk out of Walmart or just check out my Weekend Warrior popped up. So I needed 15 rebates to get the Weekend Wonderland bonus for $3. So I did that. So got that, and I made sure I had 15 rebates. So got that, and then I needed 13 rebates to finish my 140 bonus, and I reached that. So I also received $45 back with Ibotta. Fun fact is, so I've had Ibotta since February of 2017, and this month was the second best month I have ever had. Like, you guys can go back and see how much you earned every month. My first best month was in 2018. I think it was like in February or something, and I can't remember what month, but it was in 2018. This month was my second month I have ever had, which is awesome, awesome, awesome. So before the $45 bonus kicked in, everything came to be $20.93 is what everything else factored in. But if you kick in that, oh, thank you. But if you kick in that $45 bonus, everything came out to be a $24.07 moneymaker. I got everything for free, made a huge profit. I absolutely love it. Next time if they ever have that challenge, I'm gonna try to do it again. You got to make sure you do it. Some people are like, no, I'll never do it. Some people you don't. But it just depends on how you guys want to do it. But I challenge myself, and I hope you guys can follow the great deals. If you guys haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I'm here to share with you guys other deals on how to save money on just everything else and a little bit here and there. Thanks for watching. See you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.